Okay folks, this is a 48 International Harvester. Check this out. It's a KB3. It's totally rotted. Of course, it's the Chevy LS under the hood. Very, very rare truck. Only 4 were supposedly built this year. Again, you can see KB3. They actually had 2, which they had put together to build this. Is this a cool rod or what? Lovely. You can see the way how the doors open up on top. I love it. That is great. What a cool piece. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Bethesda EC Church 7th Annual Car Show. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendar. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com. While you're there, hey, post and promote your show. I'll see you at the shows.